Good morning to all. Today we see about the topic is to measurement of the gear depth value. How to measure the gear depth value? So in this measurement mainly we have using two type of measuring instruments. One is the normal vernier caliper and the second one is the depth gauge. So it's already I told the normal vernier caliper. So this is the normal vernier caliper. So in this scale is the main scale, and also this is the vernier scale. This is the locking screw. So the locking screw is mainly used for to remove the or lock the vernier scale on the main scale, and also this is a measuring jaw. So this is the main parts of the vernier caliper. So this type of vernier caliper is mainly used to measure the gear outside diameter. So for example, I select the one this type of gear. Okay. So in this experiment, my main target is to measure the outside diameter of the valley and then to measure the depth of the valley. So depth of the valley is easily measured by the depth vernier caliper. So this is a gear depth vernier caliper. So this type of vernier caliper is used to measure the depth of the product. So first I measure the normal vernier caliper by using normal vernier caliper to measure the outside diameter of the gear. So this is a simple method. I lock the vernier locking screw. So easily you can measure the value from the vernier scale. So this value is the 0 is the directly match with the 100. So that value is the 100 mm. So the 100 mm diameter. So this is the outside diameter of the gear value. So this is a simple method for by using vernier caliper. But gear depth measurement is also one of the simple method. But in this method, depth gauge is used. The depth in this depth gauge is having also high accuracy and also high precisions. So the both characterizations is very important in our measurements area. So and also sensitivity. Sensitivity means is the sensitivity linearity. The another two categories also very important in our measurement. Sensitivity means is directly you give the input 100% means definitely the output will be I obtain 95% or 98 or 99 or 100. This is the sensitivity. So sensitivity is good. Linearity means that is you plot the graph in x-axis input value and this y-axis the output value. Simply you draw the graph. So that value is the straight value. So the straight line will be obtained means that is the good. Linearity is also good. So accuracy precision is the primary characterizations. The secondary characterization is the linearity and sensitivity. Okay. And then this is a gear depth vernier. So this is also main scale and also this is a vernier scale. In this vernier scale, the left side value is the inches value and also the right side values will be number value. Okay. So the number value is the very important. Already I told the vernier in this vernier scale there are 50 lines is there. So this is a locking screw. So the locking screw is the simply locking purpose and also easily moving purpose. So I insert the gear. This is a measuring jaw. Simply I lock the nut. So you can easily measure the put the zero value. Put the zero value is directly contact with the 16 mm. Is directly contact with the 16 mm. So definitely you cannot measure the coincidence value. Coincidence means that is the vernier scale is directly match with the main scale. So simply you multiply with the least count values. Already I told vernier caliper least count value is the 0.02 mm. That is the same value of the depth caliper also 0.02 mm. But micrometer means is a 0.01 mm. So least count is a minimum measurement of value. So that value is the 16 mm. So in this experiment the main target is to measure the outside diameter by using normal vernier caliper or digital vernier caliper, and also how to measure the inner depth of the gear, not teeth thickness, not teeth value. Okay, inner depth of the gear. So inner depth of the gear is easily measured by the depth vernier caliper. So this is a simple two experiments you see done in single point of views. So gear is having a lot of elements. Already I told the case study videos and also daily based concepts, gear failures. So these are the simple method for measure the inner depth of the gears. Thank you.